So we are going to start with our Diamondback Therapin, which his name or her name is Metalloid because she is markless on her carapace. He or she, we don't know yet. And she or he is very, very pretty and very hungry. So we're gonna give her some shrimp pieces. Gonna get that one. Gonna give her a clam. Maybe we should shred it up. They're kind of big. Oh, look at her go. I can eat that entire shrimp. Should probably cut that one up for her. You're silly. Here, let me cut that up for you. Okay, well, you don't wanna let go? No? Okay, well, my turtle's stronger than me, supposedly. But she does not want to let go. I love Diamondback Therapins. They're silly. They're so feisty when they're young, too. Here, silly, eat this one. Eat this one. There you go. No? You want to eat a clam? Oh, yeah. Eat that clam, buddy. And we'll move on to our concentric Diamondback Therapin. So, northern Diamondback Therapins, they come in all sorts of colors and markings. Bolder the marking usually indicate that they are concentric. Also, they have the worm-like patterns on their face and their skin. Oh, you missed it, buddy. Here you go. You want to eat some fresh fish? Get it, buddy. Nope, you're eating the bottom of the plastic. You okay there, buddy? The fish is right here. Fish. Shrimp. What are you doing? Do I need to go get my chopsticks? Come on. I want to get bit so you can not. I think he smells the food, but he doesn't see it for some reason. Come on, buddy. Nope, don't bite me. It actually hurts. Come on, buddy. What are you doing? There you go. Oh my goodness. What? Okay. Alright. Let's feed a chunk of clam to Miss Blue over here. Miss Blue is a Diamondback Therapin, also concentric. She is gorgeous. Being a little shy. Here you go, buddy. Yeah, eat that clam up, buddy. Destroy it. Nom. You ate your fish? You want your shrimp? You want your shrimp, buddy? So yes, 2 days ago they had their commercial diet, which was just Zoomid hatchling formula, and today they will be feeding on some more raw carnivorous type of diet. Shrimp, fish, clams. It's kind of like a treat day today. Buddy? You okay? What's wrong? Why are you not eating your food normally? You're usually good at this. Ah, there you go. There you go, buddy. Yeah, you get that shrimp. You want another piece? Here you go. Look at Metaloid go, just tearing into that clam, or she or he was. Oh, yeah, get after it, buddy. Don't bite your foot. Give you guys a better camera angle. We'll move on to our newest addition, Skillet. According to the breeder, he is supposed to be a male, so we will continue to call him a male until we find out for sure, which is roughly about a year or two. We should know. Rough estimate on what his sex is. So we're gonna give Skillet here, not Blue. A piece of fish if I can cut it. Okay, that one's kind of stringy. There you go. I'll give you a shrimp piece. A couple of pieces of shrimp. I'll give you a piece of clam. Oh, you smell something good there, huh, buddy? Aw, yeah. We're so happy to see Skillet thriving here. It's only been about 2 or 3 days since Skillet's been with us, and he is eating, swimming, taking lots of poops, basking. We're just happy that we got such a healthy new addition to our family here of turtles. Oh, look at him go. Destroying that shrimp piece. Oh, yeah, rip it up. Tear it up. One thing I would like to say is I feel very fortunate that one of my hobbies can directly relate to turtles, and that's getting fresh fish for my turtles and giving them to as part of their diet. I'm very fortunate in a way that I have access to such fresh fish, and I get to watch them and feed them what I catch. It definitely helps with my wallet, that's for sure. Feeding my turtles scraps from my fishing trip. Sometimes I give them actual fillets. Just cut off some pieces off a fillet that I'm going to eat. You know, I definitely like an afternoon snack of sashimi. Oh, you won't believe what it's like to just randomly open the freezer, defrost some sashimi, and cut into it and eat it for lunch. It's so good. Oh. Some better angles. We are gonna now feed one of our favorites, our red ear, our albino red ear sliders, and we will be feeding them a mixture of commercial diet, and hopefully this time they'll eat some fish and some other treats that we have planned for them. So talking about diet and turtles, so red ear sliders, their diet when they're young comprise primarily of insects, fish, maybe some snails, anything that it can get their little mouths on, pretty much. But when they're young like this, they will mostly eat they're pretty much carnivores. That's what I'm trying to say. Their diet is probably 70 to 80% carnivorous when they're young. As they get older and older, their diet will change to becoming more vegetarian. So in that kind of sense is the reason why we carry Hikari. Hikari is pretty much designed for red ear sliders and other species of turtles that eat more vegetable matter in their diet, unlike our diamondback terrapins here, who are still chomping away at their food. That's a good shot. Oh, he's gonna eat the entire thing. Are you? Are you? No, I'm just taking chunks out of it. But they're enjoying their meal here. Looks like Blue is done eating. We'll give him another piece. Come here, Boat. You don't want no fish? It's probably rockfish, maybe yellowtail. Oh yeah, yeah. And these guys have grown so much and so fast. Because we've spoiled them so much. Give him a piece of shrimp as well. Here you go, buddy. Oh, you smell it? You eat that clam. Don't worry, we'll be feeding the rest of our turtles the same diet. I just didn't feel like feeding. I lost count. I have too many turtles upstairs and too many turtles outside. So we're gonna feed our red ear sliders a little bit of everything. Get them started. Try to shred up some clams for them. Are you guys hungry? You guys don't want to eat? That's interesting. You guys really not interested in eating today? Because they're always hungry. They're so cute. Okay, yeah, it looks like they're not interested in any of the expensive stuff, all the good stuff, so I'm gonna have to get them some pellets. And this is how it is sometimes. Some turtles just prefer not eating the delicious stuff, versus these guys, that's all they want. Well, actually, they're more like garbage disposal units. They eat everything. Including you, hiding. It's too cute. Alrighty, let me get some pellets for these guys, cause, well, actually, maybe, no? Are you gonna eat some good stuff? No? Alright, let's get them some pellets. I swear, these turtles should be sponsored by Zuma. That's all these guys want to eat. And I don't blame them. They're just picky eaters sometimes. Yep, look at that. As soon as they see it, chomping away. These guys are silly. If you get a sponsorship from ZooMed, it's because of these guys. They will literally only eat ZooMed right now. But we're glad to see that they're wanting to eat. As long as they eat and they're healthy. Whoa, don't bite his shell, man. That's not nice. Oh, look at them go. Wow, all the good stuff. Shrimp, fish, clams. They don't even look at it. They don't even want it. Alright, let's get on to our next turtle, which is the North American wood turtle. We'll put these guys to the side. Alright, so the North American wood turtle, I don't have a name for this guy. We suspect that he is going to be a male because he's the largest from our group. So, whoa, you look so cute. What's wrong, buddy? What's wrong? You look angry. You want food? So, North American wood turtles are kind of like red ear sliders in a sense. As they get older, they will become more of a vegetarian. This turtle is roughly, no, it's actually less than a year old, surprisingly. And I'll upload a picture of how small they were when we got them. But first, we're gonna start off with a little bit of shrimp because we have so much shrimp and clams. But don't worry, these will get fed to all our turtles outside and inside. You want some shrimp? Here, I'll put it down lower. So wood turtles, unlike other aquatic turtles, they can actually eat on land. They do not. Oh yeah, they have the cutest and softest bite. I don't know if you got that, but they eat very slow as well. So feeding North American wood turtles is very, very entertaining to watch because they take the softest bite. Like, they're so careful to not hurt what they're trying to eat. That's what it looks like. Alright, looks like he's going to town. And then we'll give him some omega-1 sticks. Usually we feed our North American wood turtles hickory pellets because it has a lot of vegetable matter in the food. Oh my goodness, all the turtles are still eating. And these guys are still chomping away. Metalloid over there, crushing that shrimp he just swallowed. I think Blue is done. Blue, are you done eating? You want more food? Alright, we'll give you another piece, buddy. Here you go, Blue. It's also important to not overfeed your turtles, so because we gave these turtles such a big meal, we probably won't feed them for the next 2 days. And you still have food, buddy. Well, maybe you don't like clams. I'll give you a piece of fish. Here you go, buddy. Look at them go. These guys are just absolutely pigs. They eat messy, they're messy, and they just eat a lot. They're so cute. And our wood turtles love omega-1 pellets. Look at him go. So cute. Watch how he takes a bite. It's so cute. It's he takes a very small it's like he's like trying to pick something up very, very carefully, delicately. It's very fun to watch these guys eat compared to these guys where they just try to inhale the whole thing and destroy it. We'll probably feed these guys a little bit of a commercial diet as well. Finish off their meals. Here you go, buddy. Thank you for watching. We appreciate all the support you guys give us. And I just want to say that I hope you guys understand the value of a good nutritional diet.
Project Turtle.
Complete.
Project Turtle.
Mission